Hi everyone, we are really excited to release our new Washington County Schools High School Curriculum Guide. The purpose of this video is to introduce you to the guide and give you a little bit more information about navigating this resource. Okay, I'm going to start by showing you how to get to this guide. So from Google, I am going to type in www.wcde.org and it will take us to the Washington County homepage. I am then going to go to Parents and Students and click High School, College, and Career Readiness. That takes you to our high school curriculum guide. On the left, you will see multiple links. The first link we're going to look at is the homepage. The homepage gives you a brief overview of what is the curriculum guide, information about our high schools, high school scheduling, our high school learning management system, also known as Canvas, which is like an online classroom, and then PowerSchool. I'm going to go back to the left and I'm going to look at high school graduation requirements. In order to graduate in the state of Tennessee, there are multiple graduation requirements, and then Washington County also has some requirements, and you can access those through these two links. Or you could just look at our handbook. And so the handbook is linked here. I can click this and it pulls the handbook out for you. You can click these links and it will take you to specific sections. The handbook itself includes the course of study graduation requirements, early graduation options, diploma types, graduation designations, class ranking, and a 4-year graduation planning checklist. So if I scroll through here, it's going to show you what is required in each of these areas, substitutions, information about world language and fine arts, different courses that we offer, mandatory assessments, what happens if I complete courses in middle school, calculating a GPA, what is credit recovery. So you can see this has all kinds of information for you and is a valuable resource. If I go back to the curriculum guide, I can scroll down and it also pulls out the 4-year planning checklist for you. Here is a generic one that just shows you what students need. And then the schools have also created their own. So I can click Daniel Boone High School, and as you can see, you have more detailed information for the school. If I go back to the main page and I go over to the left, I'm now going to look at course sequencing. Courses in high school should be taken in a certain order, and this PowerPoint is going to show you what that looks like. So it's going to provide a visual for the course sequences for the 4 key academic areas. And so if we look at English, it shows you the different paths that students can take inside of their English courses. The same with math, starting in the 8th grade or starting in the 9th grade. Also social studies and science. Now I'm going to go back to the main page and I'm going to look at course catalog. Now you're going to see on the left it has like a little down arrow, and that's because there are multiple links inside of that link. So in our course catalog, we have all of these different areas. If I click on advanced placement, it's going to show you all of the different advanced placement or AP courses that we offer in Washington County schools. If I click on a specific class, this little down arrow will always open more information for you. You can see all of the information related to that specific course. And there are links inside of those courses to even more information. The next one we're going to look at is CTE because it also has a down arrow. So when I click CTE, it's going to open all of the different career clusters that we offer in Washington County schools. I'm going to click on architecture and construction. When I do that, it's going to show you the different programs of study that we have inside of that career cluster, where those programs of study are offered, videos giving you more information about what exactly that program of study is. And just like with the other courses, you can click the little down and it gives you more information about the course. These courses also must be taken in a specific order, starting with level 1. Now, if I click the arrow, it is going to make all of that information go away so that I can get back to my main 5 links. We're going to look at technology resources now. I'm going to click the down arrow, and it's going to open up all of these different resources. So what are technology resources? These are supports to help students when they struggle with a specific type of technology. For example, let's say they're struggling with logging into Canvas. There are videos to help students log into Canvas and troubleshoot any issues that they have. Chromebooks, same thing. There are videos to help them when they have issues and they need to troubleshoot. Digital textbooks for the 4 main academic areas so that they can see how to get to their textbooks. So everything under the Technology Resource tab should support students with using educational technology. Thank you. I hope that you visit our Washington County High School Curriculum Guide and explore it a little bit more. This is a living document. We will continue adding to it and changing it to meet the needs of our community. Thank you so much.